Hi all. Investors, estate agents, I've just been asked the question, is real estate a 9 to 5? Well, I don't think so. Firstly, if you're looking to leave your day job, which might be a 9 to 5, and then move into real estate investing, well, you'll probably be fixing, flipping, renting, doing all the things necessary to make your investment successful, financing during your 9 to 5 hours. But your weekends and your after hours need to be done doing your research. It is a full-time plus job. It is not a 9 to 5. And if you're going to be a real estate agent, remember, finding stock, taking stock, meeting with people, showing, not all of these can be done during the 9 to 5. And to really be successful, you need to be continually looking for the new stock, taking your clients out, learning, doing courses, going that extra mile. To answer the question very simply, no, it is not. I have yet to see very successful investors and very successful agents just doing 9 to 5. Happy investing.